Hey guys, it's Andrew from Seemu apps, and today I'm going to share with you guys, especially anyone that records videos on their computer while typing, a simple trick I have discovered to help silence your keyboard presses when you're recording. Now, this is something you can't do in post-production. It's actually a physical trick, something quite cheap, but has been quite effective for me. So what that trick is on your keyboard, what you want to do is to buy a plastic cover like so in my hand, and this simply goes over the keyboard and that will silence the keyboard clicks by a lot. So you can buy this for Macs and other notebooks and keyboards, or you could buy a silent keyboard, which is a lot more expensive, but if you're able to get a plastic cover, I'd highly recommend it. So I'm going to record some comparison shots of recording with the Mac microphone and typing with and without it, and also recording with my big microphone here with and without the plastic cover, so you can get a feel of it for yourself, because I was an idiot and went all out and brought this high-end microphone thinking this might fix it up. I could sort it out in post-production. Whilst you can do it in post-production, it's a lot more difficult and more time-consuming. This plastic cover cost me a few dollars off eBay, and I'll post some links to eBay, Amazon, etc. below where you can get one for yourself. So let's get to the comparisons. Okay guys, so this is with the Mac microphone and no cover on the keys as an example. Now this example here is with the Mac microphone, the inbuilt one, and with the cover on the keyboard. So now I am using my Blue Yeti microphone with no keyboard cover. And now I have placed my keyboard cover on whilst using the Blue Yeti, and now this one is with the keyboard cover plus Blue Yeti plus background noise removed in my video editing software, which is ScreenFlow. Okay guys, hopefully that gave you a good indication of what a good keyboard cover can do, and also an external microphone. If you want to get one yourself, you can check it out in the comments below to get the cover, and I've also linked the microphone I use if you guys want to have a look at that. This one's pretty high-end. You don't need to go all out, you just need a simple external one is good enough that's away from your keyboard, and also mounted on the side of a desk with a shock mount if possible, because if you're recording through a microphone on your laptop or one that's sitting on a desk, the vibrations from you typing are also going to impact on it. So the shock mount and having it mounted externally reduces this quite a lot.